Good morning to the Honorable President, Chief Guest, and my teachers. Also, best wishes to my classmates and everyone present over here. Today is 26 January, our 76th Republic Day. In the year 1950, the Constitution of India came into force. As a result, India officially emerged as an independent state or a sovereign democratic republic. The Constitution of India was adopted and passed by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. But before its official implementation, there was a wait of 2 months for the arrival of a certain day. Simply, why such a long wait? In order to know the reason behind it, we need to travel back in time. In the year 1929, the Indian National Congress held a session at Lahore. During this Lahore session, President Jawaharlal Nehru demanded Purna Swaraj of India, with which a historic proposal was also accepted. According to this proposal, the tricolour flag was hoisted on the banks of the river Ravi at midnight on 31st December 1929. Thousands of people witnessed this historic moment with cheers of enthusiasm. Later, to provide encouragement to India's freedom movement, January 26 from the year 1930 to 1947 was celebrated as the Independence Day. After the sacrifice of lakhs and lakhs of martyrs, India gained its independence on 15th August 1947. As a result, the Independence Day changed. But in order to preserve the historical significance of 26 January, the day was declared as Republic Day. With that, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the first president of independent India. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of the Republic of India. The Constitution defines India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. During the emergency of 1976, Mrs. Indira Gandhi added 2 new words, socialist and secularism, to the Constitution through the 42nd Constitutional Amendment. The significance of 26 January, celebrated as the Republic Day, will only be a success if we, as the people of India, can establish justice, equality, right, harmony, and brotherhood. Else, it would only end up being a cultural program performing songs and dance. Jai Hind, wishing everyone good health and happiness. Thank you.